Hi, thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alejandro Peñerera, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure, outrun your competition, and of course get more customers, more new clients. First things first, have your website blog here, and one of the things that caught my attention was that the first thing that I see is the email address. If you own this domain, you should be able to have any name at spray foam insulation nyj.com instead of gmail.com, and you can still manage that from Gmail if it's properly done. The second thing that is actually catching my attention is this over here. You guys are trying to rank for these keywords or these areas, but the truth of the matter is that if this is not placed properly in specific areas of your homepage and the entire website, they're not going to be doing too much of the potential that they could have. That being said, if you're going to be targeting for keywords, my recommendation would be to have at least 200 words per one keyword, per each keyword that you want to target, and make sure, and this is considered content, right? Content besides images, besides icons, videos, the wording content is very, very important in a website. So that being said, I can see that you have a lot of content here. I'm not really sure if it's relevant or not. Um, but I can see there's a lot of information going on. If I keep scrolling down, then you have your contact us. For some reason, you guys have a blog. I'm not sure what the target for that would be. A blog can involve many things in your favor, but probably you're just wasting potential there, or you're paying something that is not bringing you the results that you want. Um, then I see this again. You're trying to target these specific keywords, but again, Google is very smart when it comes to this. If they don't see relevant content per, for each one of the keywords that you're trying to target, they're not going to take in consideration. I can see they have even more links over here. There's a lot of links. This is very rare to see. I was looking at the people that did your website, or actually, or either they're managing or doing your website, and they seem from Ecuador. I'm from Ecuador as well, but uh, it it just this doesn't make sense, and I'll show you why. Um, Besides that, you have a lot of sub pages. For example, let's see, thermal emission barrier. Is that something that you guys offer? Um, Not really sure. Let's see. You probably have a video here. Probably just you know trying to help ranking. Even if you have a YouTube channel, this is very important. This name over here should be changed to something that um, is more relevant for what you do. For example, if the video is about this, although yeah, I'm sorry, my mistake. It is actually targeting that. But then you have these popular tags, so not really sure what the intention of this, because this is not done properly. If I look on the back end of your website, you're being found for over 2,400 keywords. You have around 1,400 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned on your website, and if they're relevant websites, if they're targeting the keywords that you want to be found for, they're gonna be helping you to increase your rating. So for this amount of links, um, my estimation is that this number should be higher. Now think about this as a popularity contest. Um, the more people that talk about you in a positive way, more people are going to get to know you, more people are going to start noticing you. Same thing happens here. So, and it's not really how many links you have, it's about the quality. So keep an eye on this, because you might be having links that not they're not doing any good to your website, and those can be spam links, something not relevant, they don't have too much authority, things like that. Um, but again, I'm not really sure because if you're actually getting the results that you were expecting, because for example, if I go to Google and I type spray foam insulation NJ, the first thing you're going to see is the Google ads. And this is something that if it's not done properly, you can end up losing a lot of money and not seeing the results that you want again. Um, and this is every time that somebody clicks on it, it's going to cost you money from $1 to hundreds of dollars, depending on the demand of the keyword. If you actually there's strategies that you can bid, so you can be here, and who pays the more price for each one of the clicks. Then moving on, you have the map section, and this is something that you really need to be found at, because uh, almost 70% of the people that do a Google search, they go for the top three in the map section and the top three over here. And if you're not there, you might be missing a lot of opportunities. So if your Google My Business profile is not optimized, this is something that is not, you're not going to see your business there. And then finally, we have the organic results. So we have these guys on number one, Pipework Services number two, Absolute Spray Foam number three, number four, number five, and then there you guys are. So you're on sixth position, and I'm going to show you the difference on why these people are getting more attention than you. If I go here on the keywords that you're being found for example, installation contractor, okay, you're ranking for this one actually in second place. But let's see, let's try to find that spray foam insulation NJ. Let's see. Spray foam basement walls, spray foam, spray foam insulation not there. Let's see, spray foam basement walls. Can't really see it here, and I do apologize. Spray foam insulation NJ. There you go. So this is not updated. It seems that you claim 2 spots. And from this average, there's a 60 searches average a month. And because you're ranking number 7, you're getting 2 visits a month for that. Or actually number 6, still 2 visits, almost 3 visits a month. Because this takes a little bit of time, a couple of days more to actually see the real position. But let's see why these guys are ranking number 1. If we open their website, actually this is very important. This is the sub page because they're not targeting this to the home page. So keep in mind that it's a different way on targeting specific pages instead of the whole URL. So we can see that they have a lot of content, a lot of information. And let's see the backend of their website. You can see they only have 69 keywords and they only have 2 backlinks, and they're doing just enough for them to be ranking number 1. And let's take a look at that. So spray foam insulation NJ, we saw that is 60 searches a month, and because they're ranking number 1, actually number 2, they're getting 8 visits a month straight to their website. So this is only one of the keywords. I mean, we can do a whole research about the areas that you can cover New York, because I see that you have a lot of areas here, including the metro area in New York, the whole New Jersey, I believe you cover as well. This is only one keyword, right? And again, you can see that you're probably not getting the results that you want. If these guys are getting 8 visits from this specific keyword, they know what keywords they want to target compared to yours, because I can see here, for example, let's go back to page number 1 really quick, and you can see how long the spam formula lasts. Do you want to target for this keyword? You're probably targeting the wrong keywords here. This one is very important. You can see residential insulation contractors NJ. It's only 20 searches a month, and you're getting 8 visits a month because the volume here, because you're ranking number 1. The possibilities are a huge advantage on all this. So I don't want to take too much of a time. If you have any questions, please let us know. Remember, just to recap really quick, make sure you have relevant content. If it's copy and paste, you probably end up not really good because uh, you can get degraded in Google if that makes sense. Um, and the backlist, if you're paying for a marketing campaign, make sure that these backlinks that you're getting are bringing you the results that you really want. You can tell that because you either keep climbing or you just get stuck or you start losing places on the result pages. Once again, my name is Alejandro. If you have any questions, please let us know. Um, if you think we can help you out uh, as well, please let us know. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.